in the Ketan Agarwal murder case, police have taken accused Sia Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary to Lohagarh Fort to recreate the crime scene as part of the investigation. Officials said the exercise is aimed at reconstructing the sequence of events linked to the alleged murder case. Police are trying to recreate the scene of crime at Lohagarh Fort. We're also bringing you visuals from there. Shweta Verma is joining us now on this. Shweta, once again, police at Lohagarh Fort with both Sia and Chetan. How long is this going to take?
That's right. In fact, this is very crucial development. In fact, remember, police doing the crime scene recreation is something very substantial to understand from investigation point of view. Now, for our NewsX viewers, we have also put out that the Pune Rural Police, in fact, have taken both the alleged crime accused, that Sia Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary, at the Lohagarh Fort, remember, at the very spot where this incident unfolded on 18th of June. So now, with the police and the forensic team and the video recording team, remember there are more than 3 teams that are present along with both the accused at the spot, and this is going to play a very vital role in the part of investigation, as I've mentioned. Now, they are going to understand that what exactly transpired that day, who was standing at what position, what conversation did take place, and who pushed Ketan Agarwal that he had fallen to his death. And also, Kriti, it's very important to understand that the placement of these both, alleged accused, where Sia was standing and where Chetan was standing. Was Chetan a part of the alleged pushing off Ketan, or it was only Sia, or it was only Chetan, would be solved today while police is doing the crime scene recreation, as it is going to serve a very important part in the investigation.
Absolutely.